The button for the closure is metal, and you have to like use like some kind of a hammer. It's like some kind of mechanism that we can't do ourselves, so it's not like a hand sewing button. But to mend these pants, we're gonna have to hand sew it because we don't have the proper tools to put in the same kind of a metal button.
1, 2, 3.
Hello, good morning everyone. Thanks for tuning back into another video from Green Eco Style. My name is Raylene and I'm here to help you shop sustainably and mend the clothes you still love. So today we're going to be learning how to sew on a button on a pair of pants. So if the button just pops right off, you're going to want to add a heavyweight fabric behind it for stability. If you have a sewing machine, great. If you don't, I will also show you how to hand sew a piece of fabric onto this. A pair of pants, a 1 by 1 inch denim square, shank button, scissors, basic sewing needle, and thread that matches the pants. So for how long you want your thread, I'm gonna double thread it, and I just made the thread from my collarbone to the end of my wrist, an arm's length. To start off, we're gonna make sure that the square is placed nicely where you want it, behind the hole, centered. And then the fabric of the pants, you're just gonna go with your needle, just do a little in and out stitch, but not all the way through the fabric, just through the top layer. So now that you measured that, you're just gonna go in and out. And then just go like kind of just go a little crisscross. And then once more, just because the double thread didn't get through all the way. And I'm only using red thread just so that you guys can see what I'm doing. Otherwise, I would use black thread. Okay, so now with your patch, I'm going to put that back on there. And then we're going to start sewing. And now we're going to go into the pant fabric again, in and out. And now we're going through your denim square patch or your corduroy patch or whatever fabric you wanted. But make sure it is a heavyweight fabric. You don't want your button popping off again. And then do the same thing again. In and out through the pant fabric, not through both layers. And then you're going up through your patch. And go decently beside it. And we're going to do this all the way around the square. Just like that, all the way around it. Okay, congratulations. You have made it all the way around the square. So now to finish off, we're just gonna go in and out once more into the pant fabric, one layer, not both, and then up through the denim square. And then go in and out once more, but don't pull the needle all the way through. So if you saw my other videos, to tie off, what we're going to do with the thread, you're just going to wrap it around the needle 3 times. And then you push it all the way through. That makes a knot. And then I'd like to go just in and out once more. If it's too hard, like it kind of is right now, get a thimble so it doesn't hurt your finger. Cool. Not moving anywhere. Get your scissors, cut it close to the fabric, and you have your patch now. What you'll need is your pair of jeans that need mending, denim scrap fabric, scissors, thread that matches the pants, and a sewing machine. Okay. Hello everyone. So, we just learned how to hand sew on the patch that we're going to use for the stability to hand sew on another button for your pair of pants. So for those that do have a sewing machine, I'm going to show you how to sew on your patch. So I'm doing it on my industrial machine just because I like to use it. But if you look back here, this is what most people may have. This is called a domestic machine. And I'll talk to you more about different types of machines in another video. But now, I would just put it right on top there. Because it's so small, it doesn't need any pins or anything to stay put. And I just start on the corner right there. Using the same color thread as the pair of pants, you're gonna back stitch. And then you're just gonna go in reverse. Down. You're just gonna go back and forth across the whole square. Reverse. Back stitch again, the corner, very good. And that is with a sewing machine. Okay, hello everyone. So we are at our final step to putting on a button on your broken pants. So this is all nice. We have our patch, and now to pick the button. So I have 4 different types of shank buttons, all these different sizes. And there's 2 different types of buttons. There's shank buttons and flat buttons. And you can check that out on my other videos if you check into my YouTube channel. But for the shank button, it's important to have the right size. So this one is like way too small. That's for like a blouse or something. This one is more so for a shirt as well, or it could be for a purse or whatever. This is for really heavy garments, and I actually really liked this one. So I'm like, yeah, let's use this one. So I tried it, and I'm like, okay, well, that looks really nice and all, but it's not up to me. It's up to the buttonhole, the size of the buttonhole. And it's not going to fit through that buttonhole. No, thank you. So we decided on green. So green fits through the buttonhole, and it looks nice. So you want one that's just a little bit snug. So it's just a little snug, but it can still fit through. Not one that it just can easily fit through. We like this size. So go ahead and look through my YouTube channel. That's where you can learn how to sew on a shank button. So thank you again for watching. And if you have any other mending ideas that you want me to demonstrate, please send me a message on greenecostyle at outlook.com, or you can also send me a DM on my Instagram, greeneco_style. Thank you so much for watching again. Keep it gravy and stay hydrated.